the fountain of Shakha. Enye chijochope ike mi dona maude jile. Enye chijochope ike mi subona mi apamaule. Ke enyame ike mi aploge mi subo mi apamau gaya anko enye Foli Veronica. Ke Minister Frank Eli Clean apeku eyai akpedenu nye. Le de kawo me mi subo mi apamau ke mejibe na wode kakplemi ba mi asubo mi apamawu ya le ndoya ela be enaminya be nusi anu mi wona na mi anto ke subo eya kwina na eya ma ebe nenye be mi o mi ma subo yo ya demo na achi plepa eni yo me gbona eni yo me vana eni yo me agbemelo ba wa subo efia be eji subolao abenye pakpelo eya mata egba pen kekala mon popo nyena nye pakpelo be ni asuboy ado eya madeji Minister Frank wezo egba enye nkeke tohiade ike mile mi apama suboge and egba enye nkeke tohide mejibe ma akomenue afimi ajesubo subo gome plus sube no ikele gba pen kekela ma fasina ta suji ela be mawu ye pro Minister Frank ve ela be egba ya to menya be babago ya to ha menya be babago ya kele mawu pe zozonu alo pe lolonua efo mi fude eya ma pen kume Minister Frank for some years concerning worship, and it is epic desire that we worship him in truth and in spirit, because the right worship is not being done. The right worship is not being done. And le enufofo de ame mema le maupe hitting on it. I want my people to worship me. I want my people to worship me. Nyento meva le gbedododa me kple nkulele de numa ndeka meva adejesie nyebe suboa me jiyim le miapen to male kojo zigeda kwebe we do emotional displays mi jina hayoke menye subo hawo to bobe onye hayoke mehe. They are slow song, emotional song, comforting song, those songs, but they are not worshiping God. And egbaya eva koflofia mejibe naglo. Mejibe lekolego. Afimia zoom into the worship so that I want 10 minutes I want it to be effective, that we worship from our hearts, not with our emotions or just for singing sake.